Stop whatever you're doing, I have breaking space news. NASA have just announced that they have found the best evidence of life on Mars to date. Here's everything you need to know. Just 6 hours ago, NASA held a press conference where they revealed their findings.
This very well could be the clearest sign of life that we've ever found on Mars.
Basically, the Perseverance rover was driving around in an ancient lake bed that billions of years ago was filled with flowing rivers of water when it found this rock. They immediately noticed this strange pattern of spots that looked a lot like microbial life that had been fossilized. We've seen very similar things here on Earth. The rover took a sample of the rock and analyzed it, finding 3 key compounds: vivianite, greigite, and organic carbon. Here on Earth, when we find those things together in a rock sample, it's nearly always life. And so for the last year, various teams have been testing these samples looking for other explanations. They looked at various natural chemical processes driven by things like meteorites delivering organics to the surface. And so far, none of them adequately explain what Perseverance found. The best solution is life. This really is the best evidence humanity has found for life outside of Earth. So why can't they just come out and announce that we have discovered aliens? It's basically because we need to get the samples back to Earth from Mars to analyze it in a proper lab. The rover can only do so much while on Mars, and if we are going to announce that alien life exists, we need to be sure. So if this really is life, what you're looking at here is the first ever image of aliens not from Earth. They would have been little microbes living on Mars about 3.5 billion years ago that are now frozen in time as fossils. Arthur C. Clarke once said that 2 possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe, or we are not, and both are equally as terrifying. And we may have just received our answer.